Given the following reaction at equilibrium, where UO2 solid plus 4H4 gas produces UF4 gas plus 2H2O gas, predict the effect that each of the following changes will have on the equilibrium position. Tell whether the equilibrium will shift to the right, will shift to the left, or will not be affected. A. Adding additional UO2 solid to the system. B. The reaction is performed in a glass reaction vessel, knowing that HF gas attacks and reacts with the glass. And C. Water vapor is removed. All right, in part A, what if additional UO2 solid is added to the system? So if I increase this, I've got to be really careful here. It's a solid, right? Solids and liquids do not affect our equilibrium. So adding UO2 will not affect the equilibrium since it's a solid. Part B, the reaction is performed in a glass reaction vessel, knowing that HF gas attacks and reacts with the glass. If the HF reacts with the glass, what's going to happen to the concentration of the HF? It's going to decrease, and the equilibrium will shift to the left to try and replace that concentration that's being consumed, that amount that's being consumed. The equilibrium will shift to the left as HF reacts with the glass, causing the amount of HF in the container to decrease. C, water vapor is removed. So if I remove water vapor, what's going to happen to this amount? It's going to go down. And Le Chatelier's principle says if I remove some amount in some way, I've got to work to replace it. So I've got to shift the equilibrium to the right to replace that decrease in water vapor. The equilibrium will shift to the right to replace the removed water.